football turf shoes with a broken internal insert. And inside these turf shoes, soft insole of this type. And underneath it, there is a plastic insert that gives them rigidity. Now they become soft because it broke. One piece, the back one, has already fallen out, while the front one is still inside. It will need to be removed because it is well glued in. To make it easier to take out this piece, you should use a heat gun to warm up the inside. After that, the glue might soften and we'll be able to remove it. Here inside you can see that the remaining part of this insert is glued in with some kind of white adhesive. I think it's not heat resistant, after all, and heating it will help remove it. Using the heat gun on the lowest setting, so as not to overheat the inside, we'll try to gently warm up this insert. You see, the insert broke in two places, at the front and in the center, so it's already unfit for use. I haven't seen such spare parts for sale, so I'll have to make my own. I'll use a piece of flexible plastic that's 3 millimeters thick. We'll try to cut out the same kind of insert from it and glue it into the shoe. Let's take this insert and carefully trace around it using a permanent marker. After that, we'll take a jigsaw with a fine-toothed blade and cut out the insert along the outline. We slightly treated the sole using a grinding wheel and the edges with a grinding machine on this side so that it would be more loose and thinner because the plastic was a little thicker. Now we'll heat it well with a heat gun. This sole, and I'll try to shape it like a boat just like the original so that it fits snugly around the foot. Now we'll heat it up, place the sneaker and try to press it down with the foot so that it takes the shape. We heat it up and insert it into its place. Let's wait a bit until it cools down and then check it. After that, we'll take out the insert and examine its condition. You can see that it has become slightly concave inward. Now the insert for the sneaker is ready. Now we'll take fine sandpaper and thoroughly sand the top part so that the insole doesn't slip on it while running. Just a little, so that it goes from glossy to matte. After that, we'll proceed to glue this insert into the sneaker. For this, I'll use Nairit glue, but you can also use 88 glue. First, we degrease both surfaces using Kalosha gasoline. And also inside the sneaker. After that, both surfaces need to be dried from the gasoline. Then we apply a thin layer of glue to both surfaces that will be bonded. Spread it evenly with a brush. one surface and the inside of the sneaker. And after that we wait 15 to 20 minutes for the layer of glue to dry. Now 20 minutes have passed and we can bond both surfaces. The glue no longer sticks to your finger. Carefully join the parts together near the surface, making sure nothing sticks in a position we don't want. After that, you need to place the insole and put on the sneaker so that the insert is pressed firmly against its base, and put it on your foot for 10 seconds to press it down firmly. Now, the insert is glued into the sneaker, and after 24 hours you can put them on and play football. You have just watched a video on how to repair the insert in turf soccer shoes for playing football. Leave your feedback and comments, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us. Goodbye everyone.